Hey, ROCKWOOL, how are your sustainability efforts coming along?
We are making solid progress. We have met or exceeded 2 of our 6 interim sustainability goals 2 years ahead of schedule. Those 2 goals are reducing production waste going to landfill by 40%. We hit 50%. And improving the water efficiency in our factories by 10%. We have made good progress on meeting the 4 other goals as well. What's more, the Standard & Poor's True Cost organisation has for the second time classified all of our products, yes, all of them, as being SDG positive, leading to a positive impact on fulfilling the UN Sustainable Development Goals. More has been achieved, and more is in the works. For more answers, download the ROCKWOOL 2020 Sustainability Report.